guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the monthly subscription boxes for the month of March, and there's some things that have changed because I only have 2 boxes in front of me, and we'll kind of discuss that here in a second. Now before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications and videos, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what I received in my subscription boxes, because I don't even remember what I have in here because I got to make some choices, and find out together, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so I do have 2 boxes from BoxyCharm. Now, I forgot I had received an email and it had said something about Ipsy and BoxyCharm combining and being one subscription, and I forgot about it. It happened in like January and I didn't know what month it was going to happen. I didn't know if it was Ipsy taking over or BoxyCharm taking over. I didn't realize it was a merger, and oh, by the way, the merger happened in 2020. So I looked online. I wanted to get some details because I like my subscription boxes and I like both BoxyCharm and Ipsy for different reasons. But I didn't want to be losing one of them. Now it turns out, from what I found out online, back in 2020, Ipsy and BoxyCharm, so Ipsy's considered the #1 subscription brand on TikTok, is what I read, and they and BoxyCharm merged. So instead of being a competing brand where they're both paying money out of pocket for everything, they combined, and now we're getting BoxyCharm under Ipsy. So some of the boxes will still be BoxyCharm, and then some of them will have new names. And I had the Ipsy Premium, I think that's what it was, where I got full-size products, I think 4, 5, 6 full size, whereas BoxyCharm, I had 2 different ones. I had the base box and then premium. And then sometimes you'd get like the more elaborate box. And then Ipsy did something where every quarter my premium or base box, whatever you want to call it, was now curated by someone, an influencer, a social media star, a celebrity, and they would take over the Ipsy box and curate it for you. Well, now they've kind of merged them all together. So instead of having Ipsy and BoxyCharm and doing a who's better than who, it would make a lot of sense now, because my Ipsys sometimes had the same brands or similar items than my BoxyCharms, but I didn't realize that they had been acquired. I guess it makes sense because now they're all going to the same company. They're being put out but in different packaging. So I'm interested to see how they evolve and what we see in the future. I know this time for March, I have 2 BoxyCharm boxes. I have nothing from Ipsy, but I think in May we have the Ipsy Icon box, which is curated. I think they sneak peeked it being Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm excited for it. I'm interested to see what products we'll get, but I guess this is the end of like BoxyCharm base box and premium, and we're gonna have some new things that are coming out. But I'm excited. I still love my subscription boxes, whether it's Ipsy or BoxyCharm. It would make sense because I have had issues in the past and had to deal with customer service, but they've both taken good care of me in the past. So yeah, if that makes sense. It may not mean anything to you. Maybe you don't get either of those subscription boxes, but if you're looking for BoxyCharm, you'll be redirected to the Ipsy website. If you're looking for Ipsy, it's still on the same page. So I'm really excited for that. And the merger, I didn't have to redo and reprogram all my payments and addresses. They just all got acquired into one website. So now for the fun part, unboxing my BoxyCharms, I guess for the last time. And then maybe next month it'll be 2 different, 1 icon and 1 base box. I guess we'll see. Now to start off, we're gonna start with the smaller of the boxes. And I don't know if this is base box or premium, but let's see. Oh, the smaller box is premium. That's interesting. Now, the one thing that I like about BoxyCharm that Ipsy wasn't doing was they would give me details about each item, the prices, some interesting facts about it. I wonder if they're going to continue to do that when you get your box next month, or if I'm going to have to look it up online like I did with my Ipsys in the past. Now, let's see. There's some things in here. First thing I have, this is the Grown Alchemist Balancing Toner. I do like Grown Alchemist. I've used them in the past. Their products have worked well for my skin. I do try and mix things up because I feel like if I use the same cleanser or serum, my skin doesn't really do what it's supposed to. Cleansers will make me start to break out, and that's not cute. So I do mix up my skincare just because it gives my skin a little bit different of, you know, whether it's a cleanser, a serum, moisturizer. It mixes it up for me. Now, this toner retails for $36, and it says it's a refreshing, invigorating toner for an instant lift and radiant glow. Leaves the face soft and clean, balancing the skin, refining facial pores, and evening out skin tone. I appreciate that. And then it is 100% natural, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. Okay, so it's got a lot of details on the package here for you. Let's see, what does this look like? Oh, okay. And it's a plastic bottle. Now with my skincare, until I open it, I try and keep it in their boxes so that I know that I haven't opened it, because especially with skincare, when there's that little box on there, it looks like a jar that's got its lid popping off and it's got a number on it. If it says 6 months, 12 months, I'm trying not to exceed that, because that's when chemicals start to break down, and especially when you're talking about skincare, it's not going to perform how it's supposed to. So I keep them in their boxes for until I start using them. Okay, so we have the Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. Okay, I do like Murad. I have their hydration one right now. I use the spray toner that they have. Really like that one. This retails for $89. That's when I love getting my subscription boxes, because I am not willing to shell out that price tag for some products. So when I receive them in my boxes and then I have a bin of skincare, it's nice to just not worry about it. Prevent and reduce the look of wrinkles all around the eyes, including eyelids. Ooh, okay. Most eye products, they just want you to underneath and around it, not on the lids. With this patented technology for potent yet gentle results, all ages and sensitive skin welcome. Okay. We have the Nuco Super Thick Scalp Serum for Hair Density. I don't know that I need more hair. My hair is super thick anyways. This retails for $45. For hair that is thinning or regularly sheds, this topical scalp supplement in the form of a serum is designed to reduce hair shedding and build thicker hair with more body. I'll see if I have a friend that wants this, but realistically, I do still need things for the giveaway, and that drawer can definitely go in there. But I feel like this is more something that, I don't know, I might have a friend that needs this. I'll hold on to it for a second. We have the Uoma Beauty Badass Icon Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Diana. This retails for $24. Ooh, I think it's supposed to be a red. I like their component because it's magnetized, which means you're not gonna lose the lid in your purse. Ooh, and that is a beautiful shade. Ooh, that is stunning. I will absolutely be using that. We will put it in the drawer for one of the next videos in the future. From Ciate London, Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. This retails for $22. Gel Balm Tint Blush is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Leaves a subtle hint of color that you apply to the cheek, blending it effortlessly into a modern glass-like sheen. Interesting. This is in the shade Papaya. Yeah, I would say there's definitely there's some color, and it's definitely got a sheen. I guess I'll have to try it out. And the last item in here, this is a very skin intensive box. This is the Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser. La Palette Beauty? Never heard of it. This retails for $32. It's a vitamin C cleanser, helps to brighten skin while removing debris and makeup. Jelly-like formula, it contains 88% moisturizing essence to keep your skin hydrated. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Okay, and it does have a safety seal for it. I don't want to open it and smell it because I don't know how quickly I'm going to use this. I already have 4 face cleansers that are on rotation. And that goes back to the whole switching up my skincare. But I keep them in my shower, and they're all ones I've received in subscription boxes, to be honest. And this is a K-Beauty brand. When I need a new cleanser to be opened up, we will rotate this in. Let me go ahead and total up this box. When I do my base boxes, they are $28 a month. And then I want to say premium is 36. Don't quote me on that. But when you add up the price of the products, it's usually well over $150, $200. This premium box from BoxyCharm totaled $248. Wow, you guys. That is quite a price tag. And I spent $36 out of that. So that definitely paid for itself. Okay, you guys, now on to the next box. And this, I think, is base. Let's see. Oh, this is Luxe. Okay, so when I get my base box and premium box, if it's a month that you get BoxyCharm Luxe, then I don't get my base box. Then I just get premium and Luxe. Oh, okay. I didn't realize. I want to say Luxe is $52, so it's the 28 plus they'll charge you like an additional fee for the month if you're opted into Luxe. And then of course you have a really big card with information. This is just Spring Luxe 2023. You guys, I've barely grabbed the bubble wrap, and what do I see? This is Pat McGrath. Oh wow, this is the Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette Bronze Bliss. What? I have never gotten one of her eyeshadow palettes in here. This retails for $36. I was just gonna say, I didn't receive an eyeshadow palette in my premium box, and I usually do. Usually each box has some sort of like blush, bronzer, or like eyeshadow. I didn't have any of that. Huh. Ooh, this is stunning. These are all shimmer shades except for this matte black. I'm not mad at it. I will absolutely use the shimmer shades. Oh, I want to swatch them. Oh, you guys, look at those. Now I'm kind of upset that I didn't do a unbox and try on. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and swatch those right there. This one, oh my goodness, absolutely stunning. Can't wait to use this in a future video. Okay, we have from List Beauty the Complexion Brush Duo. One foundation, one sculpt bronzing brush. These retail for $30. I mean, I can always use new brushes. Not anymore, at least. I always get them, probably like every 3 months I might get a brush of some sort from BoxyCharm or Ipsy. Ooh, this feels so nice. This is the Sculpt in Bronzing. Now, my bronzing brush is a little bit bigger, but I'm interested to try this out. Probably won't wait for my next video. I'll probably try them tomorrow morning when I have to do my makeup for work. Ooh, I love this pink. Pretty. It kind of matches my eyeshadow. This is what I wore to work today. I actually just had a friend ask me to do a like military makeup, like how I do my makeup for work. I think I might be doing that here in the future. And then this is the foundation brush, which it seems very similar. They just have a different shape to it. So this is the foundation where it's a little more flat. They're still pretty fluffy. Ooh, I really like these brushes. Like, I really like how it feels. It's like that soft matte. Ooh, I might be trading out some of my brushes here tomorrow. We have from Fenty the Flash Nap Instant Revival Eye Gel Cream. Okay. This retails for $34. Fake 8 hours of sleep with this eye gel cream that reduces the look of puffiness and dark circles and plumps the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet. Ooh, I need this. This is one of those that's once open is only good for 6 months. I like the packaging. It is really pretty, soft purple. I'll probably try this. Day and night under and around the eyes. Okay. The KVD Tattoo Pencil Liner Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. This retails for $22. Ultra smooth, transfer resistant gel pencil eyeliner that has the iconic waterproof all day wear of the best selling tattoo liner. Okay, so the liner I have right now is the KVD Cake Pencil, and I really, really like this. It lasts forever. It does what I need it to. So one of you guys are gonna get this because I don't wear brown. I've tried brown eyeliner in the past. I don't like how it looks on me. I prefer black in the waterline and then a liquid black eyeliner. Oh, so excited for this. Well, that is a bummer. It's gonna go in the giveaway drawer, you guys. Stay tuned because that giveaway will be coming up in the spring here soon. All right, from Anastasia Beverly Hills, we have liquid lipstick in the shade Malt. This retails for $22. I'm interested in what this shade looks like. Oh no. I don't wear a lot of brown lipstick. I wear more like pinky nudes and reds. So I think I'm also gonna put this in the giveaway. I just have my preferences and I know what I like. So one of you will benefit from this. The Verb Moringa and Jojoba Treatment Oil. This retails for $20. Hydrating multi-use serum formulated to reduce breakage, fight dry scalp, and repair damaged hair. Silicone-free, fragrance-free, 100% natural. Oh, so it's for your hair. Okay, cool. I was wondering. I was like, this sounds interesting. Little hair oil. Okay. I like a good hair oil just to add some hydration. I don't need tons of it, especially in the summer, but we will use this. We have Riddle Oil Original Roll-On Oil, made with simple ingredients of amber and musk. The original roll-on oil smells clean and subtle. Retails for $50. This oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. The original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. All right, well, I love perfume, so I want to try this out and see. So it sounds like it's meant to work with your pH and chemistry for when you put perfume on. Oh, it's interesting. It's got like, there's stuff in it. Oh, okay. In the bottle, it smells interesting. I have no perfume on today. For some reason, I didn't put any on before I left the house. I'll let this sit for a second on the skin and see what it turns into. That's interesting though. I can like smell it. It's starting to change. Ooh, it does not smell like the bottle anymore. Anyone else out there really into perfume? I have quite an extensive collection and this is interesting. Huh. My grandmother really likes perfume too. I'm gonna have to let her try this and see what it smells like on her as well. We were talking about perfumes the other day, and this is a quick little story. We were talking about some of our favorite ones, and I've given her like Prada Candy, and she really likes that one, but I don't have it in my collection anymore because it's not one that I prefer. She asked if I had it, and I was like, well, I've got other ones. And it turns out she likes Lancôme La Vie Belle, which I also love. I have the bottle that was given to me as a gift, and then I have the like travel bottle. And then I also have a similar version of it from Dossier. And I was like, you know what? I can part with one of my bottles. And I gave her a bottle and she's been over the moon wearing that perfume non-stop. So I'm interested to see what she thinks of this perfume. Last item in here. Okay, this is the Iconic London Multi-Use Lip and Cheek Palette. This retails for $55. Multi-use, 6 multi-use dewy cream shades. Easy to use palette provides an instant pick-me-up to the complexion. This sounds like it's a cream product, which I'm okay with. Okay, I like the packaging. It's very sleek. I think I had this, and I think I passed it on to a friend. This is what it looks like. I did just declutter a bunch of like my cream product palettes. I think I'm gonna put this in the giveaway for one of you guys. I love Iconic London, but I haven't been keeping a lot of like my cream palettes. I just don't use creams like that. So this is gonna go in the giveaway drawer. Okay, now let me go ahead and total up this BoxyCharm Luxe box. Okay, you guys, this box totaled $267. That definitely paid for itself, and I am very in love with some of the products, especially that Pat McGrath palette. Look at those shades. I am so excited to try some of these things. Some things I've wanted to pick up, some things I've never heard of before, but it's always fun to receive something that I wasn't expecting. And sometimes I get to choose items for my boxes myself, which is also awesome. If you're interested in getting what is now Ipsy, I will put those links down below so you can go and get your own subscription boxes and have all kinds of cool products that maybe you've been interested in trying out or never heard of before sent to your doorstep. But you guys, that is it for this video. Oh my goodness, I feel like I got some great products in here. I'm excited to try them out in the next video, and that is it for this video. Before we leave, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.